Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Definite integrals can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Find the integral from 1 to 4 using the given properties.
First, we look at the integral from 6 to 1, which equals -5. By flipping the limits, we find the integral from 1 to 6 is actually +5. Simple enough? Next, we use the additive property of integrals. The integral from 1 to 6 equals the sum of integrals from 1 to 4 and 4 to 6. This helps us isolate variables. Subtracting -3 from 5 gives 8. Multiply 8 by 5 and add 12 to get 52. Option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given values to avoid a rush. Option D wins.